Feeling unmotivated, thinking of giving up on studying or school? You're not alone. In this video, I'm sharing a powerful but simple mindset trick that's helped thousands and thousands of students stay motivated even on their worst day. Hey, I'm Kurt Lianko, one of the trainers from Live Smart. Quick question, have you ever felt like just giving up on school? Like, what's the point? I'm tired. I can't keep doing this. You know, you're not the only one. Everyone I know hits that point at some stage. It doesn't mean you're lazy. You know, it just means you're human. And when that moment hits, there's one thing I want you to try. A simple mindset shift that can really help you get back on track. Remember why you started. Let's talk about it. Why does motivation fade? So first, why do we even feel like giving up? It's not because you're not capable. It's not because you're not smart. It's usually because you've been pushing hard for a while and you just feel very drained. You're tired of waking up early. You're tired of trying to focus while everyone else is just scrolling through TikTok. You're tired of exams, pressure, expectations, and sometimes your own thoughts. When you're deep in that space, you start to forget what you were even working for. And that's why you feel like stopping. The power of your why. So here's where the hack comes in. When you feel like quitting, just pause. Take a pause and ask yourself this. Why did I start in the first place? Seriously, maybe it was because you want to change your future. Maybe you want to help your family. Maybe you're the first one in your family to go to college. Or maybe you just want to prove to yourself that you can actually do something hard. Whatever that reason is, that's your why. And your why is powerful. It's not just words, it's your emotional fuel. Your reminder that what you're doing matters. How do you keep your why close? I know it's easy to forget your why when you're deep in your note or stuck in math problems. So here's how to make sure you don't forget it. Write it down on a sticky note, on your mirror, on your desk, on your door, anywhere you'll see it. And you can even use your phone, right? Make it your lock screen. Set a reminder that pops up every week. Then make a vision board, right? Cut out pics, save some on Pinterest, make a collage of what you're working towards. Your dream job, university, travel goals, whatever it is. And you can talk to someone who gets it. Your why can feel more real when you share it with someone who supports you. Because here's the thing, this isn't just about school. It's about the kind of person you're becoming. Someone who keeps going when it's hard. Someone who doesn't give up because it's uncomfortable. That's not just a student skill. That's a life skill. School can suck sometimes, but your future, it's worth it. And the version of you on the other side of all of this, they're going to be so proud that you didn't quit. I don't know your exact situation, but I do know this. You have a reason. And even if it's buried right now, it's still there. It will always remain deep inside you. Your reason is enough to keep going. So if you like this type of videos, share it to 10 people you know need it most. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, on Instagram, and TikTok. See you again soon.